What's up, YouTubers? Here with a new parent quick tip: baby proof your car. It is now getting hot, summertime. What I noticed is this canopy here kind of covers, but it heats up because all the sun's going there. For less than 20 bucks, I believe, you get yourself 2 shades. Now, I did already have this one out. As you can see, they do have indicators. If it turns white, it's hot. If it's not, then it will be red. And look how easy it is to install these things. Literally, they have 2 suctions right over here. You clean your window, you place it, press it, pull this tab down here, stick it the bottom tab down, and you've just reduced a whole bunch of sun right over. As you can see, before I put the shade, a whole bunch of sun that was going right on the top of the canopy for the kid's seat. Now, I'll give you one other quick tip. These are designed easily retractable, so you just undo the suction, and then on the side right over here you have a button. You press the button, it pops back up. You remove the suction cup very easily. You can also take the option for double reinforcement, which has these hooks that you put the hooks on the window, and then you could put the suction cup for double reinforcement. Now let me give you one more quick tip, so this isn't just a product thing. For most cars, whether it be, for example, for my Volkswagen, if you have one of these keys, if you have a slot right here, you could just unlock and hold the same way. So here's what I'm gonna do: is I'm gonna press unlock and hold one more time and continue to hold. And as you can see, all the windows open up in the car. This way you can get all the heat out before you get the kids in the car. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.